My own blunt statement is resume-based hiring is dead. And let me repeat, resume-based hiring is really dead. What is important is not just to declare your skills, which is really what happens in a CV or in your LinkedIn profile, but really to showcase and show evidence of those skills. So in some sense, you have to kind of move away from declaration of skills to demonstration of skills. That demonstration of skills can happen through a portfolio. Show me real skills. As a hiring manager, I want to know whether you're really capable of doing that user experience flow by seeing some evidence of the actual prototypes that you've built. Whether you've built product management skills or not is hard to assess in a CV or through 4-letter certifications, but rather visible in the kind of business plan that you've created, in the kind of customer acquisitions plan that you've created, in the digital marketing plan that you've created, in the financial model and the pricing that you've created. And so if you really want to express that you're ready for a particular role, you want to be able to show a portfolio of skills, which is essentially a demonstration of the skills that you have, not rely on the declaration of skills, which is really what a CV or a resume is.